Golden Achievers.
Papa.
Gilas player.
Wet.
Musik.
Wet.
Huh?
On the other side.
Wet daw, wet.
It's okay, it's okay.
Nice.
Cheer na. Golden Achievers. Anong sa'yo niya? Oh, pwede na. Ali. Picturean ko kayo.
Kabila kasi. Para kita yung ano. Sasakyan.
Bilis. Pose. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, sila ni Ojen. Smile. Oh.
Tingnan din.
Golden Achievers.
Hindi man nakita yung sasakyan nga eh. Oh, mo, baling, mo. 1, 2, 3.
Nabutan pa rin tayo.
Ha?
Nabutan pa rin tayo ng taxi. Tayo na. I think is your team yellow?
Golden Achievers. Nasaan na si Kuya?
Golden Red panda.
Feeling ko mainit doon ngayon. Tanggalin na ng mga jacket.
How about your jacket? That will depend on your outfit.
I will remove my jacket.
For me, I cannot trip.
Why?
They will know that I'm a black team.
I
I'm a spy.
told you to wear red for Kuya.
I'm a spy.
He's wearing red, oh look.
I'm a spy.
Double team.
Ba't umiwas yung taxi?
That means you're also black tigers. Because there was a group black tigers.
Then I'll pick up one.
Doon daw si Papa, baka masarap yung pagkain.
And black tigers.
Ha?
Papa is because when you see inside, you know when he removes his jacket, he's black pandas. I mean black
Pink
tigers.
Panther.
No.
Wala nang helium ya. Akin na. Ha? Ading, Golden Achievers 555. Si Ading Achiever. Ano, nihilak daw siya pa? Ha? Uwian. Ay, hindi pala. Uwi saglit gagala. After. Golden Achiever 555. Red Panda.
Third place.
Oh, third place.
First place.
Sabi niya, only for the big one, the trophy.
All for you, all of you.
Ano yun? Hati.
Isa lang kasi ang daan nyo. Alam mo naman tayo sa akin trophy.
Hati-hatiin niya yun.
Oo. Ano
Inada.
lang, isang
You know what's the trophy?
Hmm.
It's with the high school.
Yeah. It's with your leader.
Oh,
Mag-bookstore daw si Madam. Hindi man to bookstore po. Toy man to. Ay.
Book na talaga yung bibili.
Kung book. Ay, meron silang ano, Encanto. You know. Yan pa. Yan. Yan. Si Encanto.
You want that one?
Patingin mo na. Baka Arabic. Baka Arabic.
Hindi.
Ay, ano.
Drawing. You want this one, baby?
Patingin ka pa.
there's even monsters.
Ah, buka lang. Mura lang po tayo. Sabi na kung mahal.
This one.
1 ruba.
Ito na lang, Deng.
Arabic, baby. Don't get this one. It's Arabic.
Deng.
You will take Encanto?
It's just only writing.
Yeah, it's coloring. Ayaw mo yan, balik. Gusto niya libro. Hindi daw.
Oh my goodness.
It's right in Arabic. Oh, yeah, that's English.
That is for a toddler's baby. Dun ka sa pangmalaki.
Children fiction.
Daming box doon sa embassy.
Dalahan mo yan ang box pa.
Box doon na nilalagay nila. Doon na.
Bakit wala ng mga ano doon? Ano yung tawag doon? Ano na yun?
Ay, base me. Auction. Ah, nandito. Ay, Arabic ito. Nandito, baby, oh. Mga once upon a time. Mga ganyan. Arabic. Binalik mo?
Asa na?
Binalik niya. May binalik.
You don't like, baby? Huh?
Ayaw
You don't
niya.
like?
Pinalik niya eh. Binalik.
Naxitorian tour.
Makaganti sa atin na.
Frozen 2, ayaw nga?
Arabic.
Frozen.
Ay, Arabic ata. Ay, Arabic. Asa nang Frozen 2 na English?
Meron dyan.
Yan, blue yata ang English.
Arabic. Frozen 1 to eh. Si Belle. You want this story, Belle?
Oh, wait. No. What? Let me see.
Saan yung ano nito? English nito?
It's
Ayan na. Ay, Arabic pa rin.
Hey, baby. Arabic, baby?
Ito na, ito. Kamay ni mama mo. Yan na, yan na.
Oh, let's go. This the one?
Oh, careful. English, right? Yeah, English. Ito yung Arabic.
Yan, that one? Huh?
Suppose.
It's okay?
Yes, I like it
Mura
too.
na siya kumpara sa ano. Jalil. 1.5.
Let's go.
Mahal na yan sa
Yan, that one?
Ito mas mahal pa
Kailan?
sa si Isabel.
May nako, kaya?
Kawawa naman
Huh?
kabaliktad.
Yan.
Daming mga The Wild Robot.
Maganda.
Go na, yung cashier. You want that one? Huh?
The Diary of a Wimpy Kid.
Bago isip na yun.
May nagtinda sa second hand, isang set siya. Mahal to eh.
Tequila. Well,
4K di isa.
oh.
Kaya ang set parang 20 ata niya tininda. With a Wimpy Kid. Siguro lahat ng ganito meron siya.
If you want, I will bring. There's a lot of book there in embassy.
Oh, bring this one na. And Papa will get you in the embassy.
You want that one? You pay the embassy. Go. Go.
Saan si Koy?
Go there in the cashier.
Cashier din.
Mama,
Sino yan?
Capsule. Pang lalaki yan na. Kids
Tawag ka na.
Oh, what is that?
Ang cute nito.
Look at it, how you can solve this. OMG, how can you solve this?
Ito oh. Yan mga oh. You can solve it, yeah?
Mahirap nga yung yung pakaya.
Magkano to? Magkano to?
Oh, ano pala ito?
Yung ya. Kakaiba, no? Give to Papa the card.